Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to display your controller overlay in OBS Studio in 2025. So, as you can see, currently I'm displaying my entire screen and there is a little controller overlay over here that's reading my every controller input. Now, to do this, what you want to do is head over to a browser and you want to search up gamepadviewer.com. This will take you to this screen. Now, at this point, you want to plug in the controller of your choice or using Bluetooth, however works best. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that you can click up here, Player 1. Your controller should be red and you should be able to function it in any way. What you want to do here is if you want, you can change the display of the controller to whatever matches what you're currently using. After that, you want to click the three lines here and then you want to click Generate URL. This will take you to this screen where you want to click to copy URL at the top. Once you do that, you want to head down here to OBS. You want to create a new source, which will be browser. And then for this, you can rename it to controller if you'd like. After you've done that, you want to go to properties and then you want to paste in the URL that you copied from the website. After clicking OK, you want to make sure that the controller browser is on top of your screen so that it's over the screen and not behind it. And then your controller will be displayed as you record or stream however you please. If this video helped you out in any sort of way, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Bye-bye.